Okay, in the subcontractor section, we are now going to look at our quiz. We have 5 questions. What information must a contractor provide on that list of subcontractors that you should post at your job site when you bring on a team of subs? What information must a contractor provide on a list of subcontractors? Choose one answer. A, the name of the subcontractor, their address, and their CCB number. B, a copy of the subcontractor's bond certificate. C, a list of the work tasks the contractor is qualified to perform. D, a copy of the contractor's liability insurance policy. Okay, got your answer? What information must a contractor provide on a list of subcontractors? Answer we're looking for is A, name of the subcontractor, their address, and their CCB number. Question number 2. What action could the CCB take if an original contractor hires an unlicensed subcontractor? A, issue a fine to the original contractor. B, issue a warning to the subcontractor. C, impose civil penalties for both the original contractor and the subcontractor. D, give the original contractor 5 days to replace the unlicensed subcontractor. What do you think? Number 2, what action could the CCB take if an original contractor hires an unlicensed subcontractor? Answer here we're looking for is C, impose civil penalties. It's not a felony. Civil penalties for both the original contractor and the subcontractor. Both are going to get fined. Number 3. Which of the following should not be included in a job site procedures and rules posting? Okay, you haven't heard of this? Here's another one. We're going to post a thing called the job site procedures and rules posting. A, meet with employees once a month to review safety policies. B, subcontractors must provide their own tools. C, subcontractors must refrain from using foul language. D, it is the subcontractor's responsibility to keep the job free of debris. Which of the following should not be included in a job site procedures and rules posting? Answer here is A, meet with employees once a month to review the safety policies. Now, for us at Lansing Linoleum, this would never have worked once a month. Lots of times we were only on the job site for 2 weeks. So safety meetings must be held daily on the job site. They can be held verbally. When you have a 10 or under in your company, you can just run over them verbally for 10 minutes. It is an excellent idea for you to do this with your subcontractors as well as your employees, but you are asked to do it specifically when you have employees. You don't want to meet with them once a month. You're going to meet with them daily on the job site. Or you're going to issue, if you have more than 10 employees, you can make them written and instruct them to review them before they come to the job site. Most of the time you'll see job site meetings 10 minutes a day. Number 4, how does an original contractor know if someone is an independent contractor? A, the subcontractor routinely advertises, solicits, and networks to create opportunities for bidding and winning new contracts. B, The subcontractor does not have the authority to direct job site priorities and workflow. C, the subcontractor typically gets paid a commission. D, the subcontractor is not responsible for any loss of profit. So our question is, how does an original contractor know if someone is an independent contractor? Answer is A. This is one of the ways that an independent contractor is identified by both the IRS and by the state of Oregon. The subcontractor routinely advertises, solicits, sells, tries to get sales, and networks to create opportunities for bidding and winning new contracts. There are about 15 of these qualifying questions that you can ask about subcontractors that will be given to you by the IRS if you ask for them. Also, they're very likely to be on the CCB site. Number 5, which of the following is considered best practice for the relationship between an original contractor and a subcontractor? Let's talk a little bit about the idea of best practice. In this world that we live in the contractor's world, you do not decide what defines best practice in your trade. That is a decision that is made industry-wide and generally agreed upon. That is what best practice is. It is an agreement in the trade of what kinds of work practices are considered best. Which of the following is considered best practice for the relationship between an original contractor and a subcontractor? Choose one. A, the original contractor takes no responsibility for the quality of the subcontractor's work. We wish. B, an original contractor need not be concerned about a subcontractor's CCB license. C, the original contractor must maintain and keep on file a list of the names, addresses, and CCB license numbers of the subcontractors working at a job site. D, the original contractor should leave communication with the subcontractors about job site issues to the Oregon OSHA representative. Oregon OSHA, the safety people. Okay, what do you think? Which of the following is considered best practice for the relationship between an original contractor and a subcontractor? We want C. The original contractor must maintain and keep on file a list of the names, addresses, and CCB license numbers of the subcontractors working at a job site. They want you to remember that.